Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is social media. Who doesn't know about social media? Everybody knows. Social media has a big part of our life nowadays. Without social media, we can't even imagine in the world. Social media is like there are many platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, YouTube, and many more. In this platform, we can share our thoughts, share our videos, and document all these things. Social media has advantages and disadvantages. If I talk about advantages, easy and fast communication. We can easily communicate with others and we can communicate fastly. Whenever we face mm, any emergency, we can easily call anyone. Whenever we face any difficult situation, whenever we see any accident, we call immediately. That is the power of social media and connectivity. We can stay connect with our family and our friends, our colleagues anytime. However, they are how far in our country, we can connect with them. Then gain information and knowledge. We can gain, gain our knowledge from social media. It is a platform like if we don't know anything, we have to search in social media and we can we came to know about everything. If we don't know how to solve any math, just we start open our YouTube channel and we start searching like that, and then our skill and ability, we can show our ability and skills whenever we want to do anything. Earlier they have not chance to show their skill and show their ability. Nowadays, because of social media, we can share our skills and ability. If we are good at dancing, we can teach dancing. If we are good at teaching, we can teach through social media, through YouTube. We can show our ability, show our skills. Then entertainment. Whenever we feel sad, we feel there is some stress, we can open social media like YouTube and Instagram, and we can listen song and watch video also, funny video, and listening mind free music. If I talk about disadvantages of social media, fake news. There are spread fake news. If that there no happens, but they spread fake news. When it does not happen, they speak about that there happens it, but it doesn't happen. And cyber crime. Have you ever came across any fraud messages? If we click their message, we can our account also our account will be 0. If we click their link, we should aware about that also. And another thing, lack of confidence. Because of it, we are only depend only our YouTube. Whenever we don't know anything, we start searching. We don't try to do first ourselves. That is the lack of confidence. And distraction in our personal life. We we always keep scrolling in YouTube, in Instagram, and keep watching like Facebook. We don't think about our family. We don't think about our brother. We don't think about our sister. We don't think about our son, what they eat, what he will eat, and what you will have to eat. What is the her health condition? We don't think. When when something happens in difficult situation, we regret. Why I didn't listen my father's word? Why I didn't listen my brother's word? That is the things. And third things, lack of concentration. We can't able to concentrate one work because of social media. Whenever we want to do one work, that time we think that let it be, I will do it again. That is the lack of concentration. Health issue. If we are keep watching YouTube, we should not think about our health. We don't go out for exercise. We don't do any work. If we just scrolling our video, scrolling only Instagram, then our health condition will be automatically bad. We have to face many diseases. That are the thing we have to keep our mind. We have to know how to use it. We have to use right way. We don't have to use it bad way. It doesn't mean it is very bad in social media. It is also good. It about depends on ours, how we are managing, how we are using it. That's all about my opinion. And if I made any mistake, please correct me. And if you have any suggestion, please let me know comment section. Thank you. See you again.